In this video, we will show you techniques and tips to matching your gel coat colors. Keep in mind, matching gel coat is as much an art as it is a science. Many factors can affect the outcome of your color matching, for example. Here are some variables that affect how a color looks: the light source, the observer distance, the size of the sample, the directional differences, and the background. Here's the same color when viewed in artificial light and sunlight. What actually happens to the gel coat? In the following clip, you will see how a glass slide is used to prepare the test color. It provides a smooth surface and is an ideal way to examine and compare the gel coat.
You take any wax, take your glass sample, you're going to apply the wax just like you would on a car. You're going to let this dry, and then you're going to buff it off with the rag. Then you're going to take your sample and a tongue depressor, pour a little bit on this side of the sample and drag it this way. So I've got a sample here catalyzed to 2%. If you're using patch aid, add the patch aid to your sample or however you're going to mix it. Pour a little bit on the front side of the piece of glass. Use your tongue depressor and do a smooth drag across the glass. Don't worry if it's not perfect. As long as it cures out, you'll have an accurate sample. So we've cleaned up our sample here. We're going to let that fully cure. If you're using patch aid, it should take about an hour. If not, wait about 2 to 3 hours. Once it's fully cured, we're going to put tape on the back of it, and then you can use a razor blade to help pop it off the glass. Now you've got a cured sample of what your gel coat's going to look like to start your adjustment. So it's important, if you're going to do a color adjustment, that you look at it in the light that it's going to be used in, which would be sunlight. If you look at a color indoors, the color will change appearance. This is a fluorescent commercial bulb, and now back to sunlight. So it's important that you do your evaluation in sunlight.
Tinting gel coat, how do you evaluate a color? There are 3 elements to evaluating a color that work against each other. It's important that you know these and study this guide. Here's a handy little guide for adjusting the color. Here are some helpful hints based on years of experience in color matching gel coat. This handy chart provides mixing information. It's got categories for the batch size, if you're using gel coat patch aid, and the catalyst requirements. It's easy to order Spectrum gel coat. You can do it by phone or online. You can also download our catalog at spectrumcolor.com. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope that you gained valuable information as well as enjoyed it. For more tips and a complete line of gel coat products, Please check out our website at spectrumcolor.com and follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram.